Zhongshan J-xing Electrical Company Limited, established in 1998, which is located in Zhongshan City of Guangdong. For the needs of development, we moved in a newly built plant at the beginning of 2015. Covering an area of 20,000 square meters, we have over 100 employees. We are a professional manufacturer and exporter which concerned with the design, development, and production of wireless remote control and motion sensor products. Our well-equipped facilities and excellent quality control throughout all stages of production. With high-quality products and service, we have gained a global sales network. We are looking forward to forming successful business relationship with clients around the world. Welcome to contact us.